In the last example, we saw how to convert smaller case letter to the uppercase letter, right? In this example, let's see how we can convert uppercase letter string to the lowercase. Okay. For this, we need we are going to use this string function called as strlwr. Okay. This will convert uppercase letter to lowercase letter. Okay. Here, I have declared character array of size 20, and I am asking the user to enter the string. Okay. By using gets function, I'm reading the string. Okay. After that, I am just displaying the entered string in this line. Okay. And in the line number 10, I'm just converting the the uppercase letter to the lowercase by using this strlwr. Okay, let's run the example and test it. Okay, enter string. I will enter the string in smaller case. Okay, I am from India. Sorry, in caps. I am from India. Okay, this will convert to lowercase letter by using strlwr. Okay, I'm just pressing the enter. Okay, see, by using the string function lwr, the uppercase letter string just got converted to lowercase letter. Okay, thank you.